Greetings YouTube, Alliant Unleashed back at you from right here at the Green Thumb Garden channel, right here in the Grow Zone 8B in Tifton, Georgia. And it is a balmy, to say the least YouTube, a balmy mid-winter's morning here at the Green Thumb Garden channel YouTube. Today's outside ambient temperatures promised to reach a temperature of about 70 degrees here in our area here YouTube, and again for it to be midwinter, we're super excited about that YouTube. But in this morning's video, we're going to give you guys a long overdue look at a fruit tree we're currently growing here in our high tunnel greenhouse. We received this fruit tree as a propagated cutting from our dear friend Leo up there in New Jersey, the New Jersey indoor gardener. Thanks again, Leo. When we received this particular cutting YouTube, it was about this tall, and it was a cutting that had been propagated in a peat pod. We received that peat pod in the mail here about 7 months ago YouTube. We took that peat pod, we planted it in a 1.5 gallon container here YouTube. And this YouTube, this is indeed what that plant is currently looking like. I'm gonna flip this camera around for you guys right now and show you guys what it looks like and show you guys why indeed we are about to plant this particular tree in a 3 gallon container this morning. Hang tight, YouTube. All right, YouTube, we're back. Just a quick pan around our high tunnel greenhouse, where indeed, as you guys can see, most things that we are growing here are indeed looking fantastically well here in our 20 foot by 10 foot by 7 foot high tunnel greenhouse here, YouTube. But the subject of today's video, YouTube, is about a pomegranate tree cutting that was gifted to our channel by, again, our dear friend Leo up in New Jersey, the New Jersey indoor gardener. Again, that particular cutting was about this big and had been propagated in a peat pod when she sent it to us in the mail. My dear friend Leo, my dear friend, first of all, thank you, my friend, for giving us the opportunity to grow a fruit that we just enjoy here at the Green Thumb Gardening channel. We always wanted one of these trees in our garden, and you gave us that opportunity to grow one for ourselves, YouTube. But Leo, this YouTube, after 7 months of growth, this is indeed what our propagated pomegranate tree that you sent us in the mail is currently looking like. Take a look at this, Leo. Bam! Can you see that, Leo? I'm gonna give you guys a quick look at something here on our pomegranate tree here. Again, when we first received our pomegranate tree, this is how tall it was. That right there is only this one main stem you see here, YouTube. As you can see, we have over 16 inches of growth here on our pomegranate tree over the past 7 months. And we also have a total of about 4 new branches that have begun to grow from around the base of our pomegranate tree here. You guys can see we do indeed, as I told you guys in the previous clip, have it planted in a 1.5 gallon container. The container is far too small for our pomegranate tree at this time, YouTube, and that is indeed why this morning we will be potting our pomegranate tree from that 1.5 gallon container to this 3 gallon container that we already have prepared for the transplant, YouTube. We're gonna go ahead and get that done. I mean, most of you guys, we're not gonna bore you guys with that particular step of actually removing this tree from this pot and place it in this spot. Most of you guys know how to transplant any type of plant by now, YouTube, so we won't bore you guys with that step. But we will bring you guys back in just a few minutes and show you what our now 7-month-old propagated pomegranate tree looks like in its new home. Ain't that, YouTube? All right, YouTube, we're back, and this is indeed what our newly up-potted propagated pomegranate tree at 7 months old currently looks like in its new 3 gallon container. Take a look at this, YouTube. Bam! Doesn't it indeed look well in its new huge container, YouTube? Again, we had it, as we told you guys in that previous video clip, planted in a 1.5 gallon container. Its root systems, I show you guys in a video clip here, had in a photo clip here, had completely root bound that soil. And again, our newly up-potted pomegranate tree, Leo, is currently looking fantastic in its new 3-gallon container. Thanks, New Jersey Indoor Gardener. We truly, truly, truly appreciate you, Leo. And we have indeed decided to name our pomegranate tree after you. And you are indeed looking well, Leo. You are indeed looking well. Thanks for watching this video, YouTube. And if indeed you currently are watching this video on up-potting pomegranate trees and you're not currently already subscribed to the Green Thumb Gardening channel, please indeed take this moment to press that subscribe button beneath this video, that like button, that notification button, and be sure, YouTube, be sure to share this video with your friends and family as well. Yeah, up-potting our 7-month-old pomegranate tree, Leo, into a new 3-gallon container. Thanks for watching, YouTube.
Ain't out here dissing, I ain't got no beef, no enemies. Call all my haters motivators, cause they can't touch me. Been in this business for a minute, that's a long time. That you was looking for me, you can find me on my grind. I'm on a mission, no competition for this rap king. I bet you took my crown, it must have happened in your dreams. I'm about to make the world feel me like the last time. So I make the microphone smoke when I say what's on my mind. It was 8 years ago when I first hit the rap scene. It was 2019 and I got the whole world listening. They gather around me to keep me warm from all the heat I bring. And I tell you, so why y'all haters out there hating me? Why y'all hating? 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 This instrumental remind me of Frankie Beverly and May. So I'm taking you back when rap was real in the old days. More than a man, I'm like a lion trying to expand. And the world's against me, so I came up with a different plan. No more 9 to 5 working for the other man. And don't trust the media, my destiny is in my hand. Done came a long way from where this lion first began. Won't let nobody make me hate the color of my skin. No matter where we're from, America is where we live. Ain't not here dissing others, but I'ma tell it like it is. Everybody say they praying for some better days, but this world will never change until we stop the hate. Why y'all hate?